In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access calendar by tapping on it. After that, click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It and tap on the month above. Over here pick a date. And when you're ready, create an event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, change the title, pick starting or ending hour, select location over here by clicking on the correct one, take notes and even set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. Click done and save your event by clicking on save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon here. Then make your changes and tap on save at the top right corner again. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you can do that by clicking on it again, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner. From here click on delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!